Dashboard walkthrough. After login, go to User, Dashboard. Edit profile. Personalize your profile here. Missed call will be displayed here. Data filter tabs. We can filter reallocation reports according to our preference. All allocated leads will be displayed here with their details. Data filter tabs according to status of student. Search section. Confirm and about to confirm list of candidates, counselor-wise. Call reminder, you can set it directly while calling. Bulk SMS and email. SMS and emails can be sent directly from here. SMS email templates. Create your own personalized template. New client entry. Basic info of a candidate can be added from here. Self-report. Highly customizable self-report section. Reports according to date, data, payments, etc. These reports can be exported as Excel sheets. Call reports will be displayed here. Reports can be sorted and filtered. Let's call to our new candidate through Bizcall. Search for the candidate as we already know name, surnumber, etc. Phone must be connected via Bluetooth. Grant permission for calling. Calling window section. It can be used in many ways. For calling the candidate, mobile must be connected. It can be used for sending SMS email, setting reminder or status. Lead can be reallocated directly from here.